right, Dan, thanks so much. There is a new dance studio in town, and this weekend it's offering free hip-hop dance lessons.
This morning, Craig Coffey breaking it all down and showing us his moves about this great way to work out. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Oh,
come on.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Today's for the ladies.
If you say so.
Oh, come on, Kimberly. Where's the love? Danny, what's wrong? Am I embarrassing you?
No.
This is Dan. Say hi, Danny.
Hi.
All right, Danny Biakin right here, international hip-hop instructor. Yeah?
Sure.
She's from Guam, by the way. So very cool. So we're at the Word Dancing Studio right now, just off of Powers and Airport by the big DMV. Can't miss it. And what's going on this weekend? Free hip-hop dance lessons. Yeah? Oh.
Yeah.
Boom. That's how you do it, right?
Sure.
Okay. Now, let's first of all, now look at us. Dan's my twin sister today. Okay. So you've got the leg up. I decided to go with 2 legs up, right?
He's cool like that.
Is that kind of the style?
Sure.
Okay. Why do we do this, by the way?
I don't know. It's just
This is what we do nowadays,
It's what
right?
we do.
It's what the kids are doing, yo.
that's what's up.
Yeah? Okay. And I actually have clips that are holding up my pants.
That's the in thing, guys.
Right? Okay. So here's the deal. Free hip-hop lessons, a workshop all day long this Saturday. Really fun for everyone.
Everybody.
And I know you're nervous, but break it down now and tell us the age groups
Okay.
and what we could expect.
Okay, from 12:30 to 1:15, it
Yeah.
will be our hip hop preemies. Those are 3 to 6 year olds.
Okay.
And then our fundamental hip hop from 1:30 to 2:30.
Yeah?
It's for our 7 to 11 year olds. And then from 3 o'clock to 4:30 will be our advanced hip hops from 12-year-olds all the way up to
That's 12 and up.
everybody.
You can be 12 years old. You can be 40 years
You
old.
can be 60.
You can be 60 and out here dancing. And you already have like 30-year-olds and stuff signed up, right?
Yeah.
This is pretty cool. So this weekend on Saturday at the We're Dancing Studio, what's the number they should call if they want more information?
719-377-2150.
Okay.
Sorry.
So on the way, you're going to teach me some moves, right?
Yeah.
You ever see this before? You ever saw that? How about this? That's pretty cool, huh? You're going to show me some good stuff, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. That's on the way this hour. More with Danny here, the Word Dancing Studio. Free hip-hop workshop. It's coming up in just a bit. Guys, back to you in studio.
I hope she can help you. That's all I'm saying. You're going to improve
Come on.
throughout the
I
morning.
know. I like.
you
Listen,
are.
I like when you grab your leg, buddy. That was hot. That was good
You like
stuff.
that?
Yeah. That's.
Don't
Oh,
pull a
my
muscle.
I'm pulling something right in this area.
She's worried about you. I can hear her in the back. Oh, no. Did you stretch first? I hope you stretched first.
All right. We'll check back in. We want to see you dancing, Craig.
Thanks
Good
so
stuff.
much.
We'll have another update here in just about 10 minutes, guys.
All right, Dan, thanks so much. Whether you're popping, locking, or just getting jiggy with it, this weekend offers a one-stop spot for free hip-hop dance lessons.
That's right. This morning, Craig Coffey busted a move at the Weird Dancing Studio. Yeah, you're all stretched out, buddy. You ready to go?
I'm busting something, I'll tell you that right now. Yeah. All right. We popping, locking? Yeah? Getting jiggy with it? Old school? As Rob Bass once said, it takes 2 to make a thing go right. It takes 2
It takes 2.
to make it out of sight. Right?
It takes 2 to make a thing go
Yeah.
right.
This is Danny. By the way, check it out. We're at the Word Dancing Studio here. Free hip-hop dance lessons workshop going on this Saturday. They are at 5755 Suite E off Industrial Place. It's just off of Powers and Airport right by the big DMV. You cannot miss it. So this weekend, for more information, you can call 377-2150. Okay? It's for all ages.
All ages.
All ages. Get out here and do some hip-hop dancing. Why do we hip-hop dance? What are the benefits?
Hip hop dancing helps you keep fit.
Sure.
And
It's good, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's a good time. Definite exercise.
Yeah.
I would imagine good for social integration, right?
yes, definitely.
Socially
and
it's
it helps
good?
kids, build confidence, build self-esteem.
Self-esteem.
Yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. So, hey, moms and dads, get the kids out here, have some fun, get in shape, and do some dancing. Okay,
Definitely.
we're going to throw that aside. You're going to teach me some moves now, and we're going to do some dancing to Beyonce, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. We've started doing this a little bit, okay? I'm a little ahead of the game here, but I'm still having a hard time. So let's start with the first moves. What are we doing?
Okay. Kickball change. 5,
Okay.
6, 7, and kickball change.
yeah,
Kickball change. Roll, roll, ha, 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 ta, ta.
Okay. Okay. All right. One more time, real quick, real quick. Now, this is stuff you teach, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and the other kids have no problem doing this, right? Oh, great. Okay, here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8.
Kickball change,
Kickball chain.
roll, roll, ha, 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 ta, ta.
Okay, then what?
Pull back, together, roll.
Okay, fire up the music, Diane. Here we
Oh my
go.
God.
Let's get it going, okay? You lead me, okay?
Okay. Not yet.
I'm ready. Here we go. Ready?
Yeah. Ready? 5. What I wanna be. 5, 6,
This is
5,
it.
6, 7, 8. Ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. 2.
I'm just stuck on that. Then there's this move.
2.
All right. It gets better. Check it out. Free hip-hop dance lessons here. Word Dancing Studio. More all the way, all morning long. It's getting good. Back to you.
What'd you think here?
I love the shaking,
Oh my
yeah,
gosh.
the slow motion right there. That's what I love.
I was actually impressed, Craig.
Ladies like that, Craig.
You like that?
Yeah, yeah. No, don't do that.
Don't do that.
All
Okay.
right. That wasn't
Danny's
bad.
closing her eyes. She's closing her eyes.
All right, we'll check back with you soon. Shake it, shake it. I was impressed. That wasn't too bad.
Did a pretty good job.
Not too bad at all.
I'm not going to lie. I thought it'd be really awful, but it wasn't that bad.